Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer with Pfeiffer Hobby, and today I'm trying to assemble a video on the making of this model, the 2008 Mustang Bullitt. It's by Revell, licensed by Ford, and I don't know exactly when the date on this date of production was on this, but what I'll first tell you is it's got very nice decals. It is molded in white. I've already put the model together, so I'm sorry, but I didn't get the pictures didn't come out that I took of the parts. But the parts are molded in black, gray, clear, white, and chrome. And all of it is very nicely done, and there are accurate parts for the Bullitt in here, as well as accurate parts for the regular GT. But anyway, I'm going to get into this. It's going to be mostly pictures with a little bit of music and then an ending, but you'll get the idea, I hope. Okay everybody, here's the finished kit. The paint I used was actually automotive touch-up paint for my actual Bullitt. You can see that it has the accurate grille with no pony in the grille. Has the round headlights. Has the Bullitt 18-inch wheels. It's not perfect. There are a couple of defects in the paint because the automotive paint didn't lay, the plastic didn't like the automotive paint too well. One of the nice touches it had was these are little pieces of steel, chrome-plated steel tubing for the exhaust pipes, and I thought that was a nice touch. Even has the Bullitt decal that goes on the artificial gas filler there on the back. The real gas filler is right there on the left-hand side of the car. My car has very dark tinted windows, so this car has dark tinted windows. I'm going to try and get in close and take a little picture of the inside. I don't know how well it'll turn out, but you can see that the inside turned out pretty well. They even give you some chrome for the mirrors. Now I'm going to rotate it around here and let you look under the hood. If I can get it up. In fact, I should take it off. Let me come right back. Okay, here's a picture of the underside of the hood. You can see that everything Bullitt related is there, including the brace with the Bullitt logo on it, the decaling for the different caps, and the informational stuff. And another nice touch is the little decal explaining the belt routing and all that underneath the hood. Just went together very, very nicely. All the parts were, I did not have any trouble with the fit on any part on this model. That's very unusual for a model kit. Let me show you the underside of it real quick before I run out of battery in the camera here. Okay, here's kind of a picture of the underside, how it turned out. My car has some aftermarket rear axle struts that are red, so these are red. Mine does have Ford Racing mufflers, which are round as opposed to these flat mufflers, but there's nothing I can do about that. But it's very, very close to my car. But anyway, as I'm pointing out, the fit of everything was just absolutely perfect. It was a very nice kit to build. I enjoyed it a lot. It didn't take a whole long time, just a little bit of painting. But anyway, that's how she turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that build and the review of the kit. And I guess we'll see you the next time.